Well, now to the very latest on immigration enforcement in the tri-state. 3 local Congress members say that they are setting up a rotation to personally watch immigration court because they say it's the only way to stop people from getting deported.
Yeah, we're also seeing new numbers that show around a third of people being arrested by ICE have no criminal histories. Pix 11's chief political reporter Henry Rossoff joining us now. And Henry, you were down at immigration court today.
Yes, I was. And the bottom line here is that immigrants are growing more concerned with what they are seeing in court. Fewer are showing up, and that is leading to potentially even bigger consequences. So that's what congressional leaders were out there talking about today.
Every day, we're seeing people being picked up.
We heard emotional testimony at City Hall about ICE agents arresting immigrants both in communities and at immigration court, where Monday 3 members of Congress observed the proceeding and massed agents waiting to arrest people coming in for hearings. They say more immigrants are making the difficult decision to skip court out of fear, which in turn makes them eligible to be deported.
Of course they gotta miss their court appearance. Mass agents are here to cuff them, detain them, and deport them.
In response, Adriano Espaillat, Nydia Velasquez, and Dan Goldman say they'll set up a rotation to observe court and allow immigrants to show up with more relative confidence they won't be arrested by ICE. Advocates say this makes a huge difference.
And with the presence of Congressman Goldman there, the agents, for the first time in a very long time, respected the right, for instance, to remain silent, the right to not identify yourself. They did not want to flagrantly break the law and violate someone
in front of a congressman.
In front of a congressman.
In the meantime, ICE has released new data conceding that about a third of those they've arrested since the start of the Trump administration, some 75,000 people, have no criminal history. Do you even trust the data coming from the administration?
Well, there's other data that shows 70% have no criminal history, and that only 5% of those who are being arrested have a serious felony in their criminal history. Donald Trump promised to go after the worst of the worst.
Thank you. Immigration and Customs Enforcement also putting out a statement criticizing Mayor-elect Zohran Mamdani for putting out his own video over the weekend advising people of their rights if they encounter ICE agents. Homeland Security called it dangerous with potentially deadly consequences. Candace and Shirley.
All right.